going on, everybody? I go by the name of Kari, and I want to thank you guys for joining me here today on SneakerPhetish. All right, guys, now a few videos ago, we took a look at these. These are the Pine Green 2.0 Jordan 1 High OGs that are getting ready to drop pretty soon, within the next week or two. Today, I want to take a look at another popular colorway that came out right around the time as this one with a slight tweak to it. Without further ado, let's take a look. Boom. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Air Jordan 1 High OG Court Purple and White for 2020. Now, if you think that this sneaker looks a little bit familiar, you're absolutely right. It looks just like the Court Purple sneakers that came out right around the time as the Pine Green. This time, Jordan Brand gave us something a little bit different with hitting us with a little bit more white where the black used to be. Let's take a little deeper look and let's talk about the shoe a little more. All right, now starting with the upper of the sneaker here, you guys see that familiar Court Purple wrapping around the heel of the shoe and around the collar of the shoe here at the top. Now, what you'll notice that's a little different about this shoe is that instead of black going down the eyelets into the mud guards and wrapping around the toe box, you get the same Court Purple going down those exact same places. However, you do get the same white quarter panels and the same black swoosh on the lateral and medial side as well. But of course, the biggest difference here is that instead of having a purple toe with a black tongue, you now have a white toe box with a white tongue. You even have that same black Air Jordan Wings logo in the sneaker as well. Let's talk about the quality of the leather a little bit. Around the collar of the shoe, not bad. In the quarter panels of the shoe, not bad. The Court Purple leather is a little bit softer than the leather that's in the quarter panels in the toe box of the shoe. But again, it's pretty basic leather. It's nothing really to make a big point about or to write home about, honestly. This sneaker here clearly is more about the story and the color blocking than the quality of the materials. Now, one thing that I do want to point out as far as quality of the materials is that I don't know if we're going to start getting this different kind of tongue here, this leather tongue on all Air Jordan 1 High OGs moving forward. But I do like it. I'm not going to lie about that. It is a little bit of an upgrade to get this leather tongue. Again, just like on the Pine Greens, there's nothing on the back of this tongue. No more writing, no more blurb with trademarks and things of that nature anymore. It's just a smooth leather tongue. You're going to get a pure white midsole on these. And then you're also going to get that Court Purple outsole on these as well. To cap it off here on the insole, you get a black insole with that Court Purple Nike Air OG branding on the heel. And that's pretty much it when it comes down to the new Court Purple Air Jordan 1s. You know, again, it's a super simple colorway and it's a really simple concept. But the thing that I think is the dopest part of these shoes is that they actually go back to the Jordan 1 Chicago color blocking. That's something that we hadn't really seen in a while. And what I mean by that is if you think about the Chicagos, right, you have the same color that's all around the mud guards, around the toe box of the shoe, the heel, and the collar with that white quarter panel and that white tongue with that white toe box. So you really do get that same kind of color scheme just with purple this time. Now, I'm not really sure about the rollout on these sneakers. Again, sometimes with the early sneakers, we don't know the full story behind them. We just know what they're going to look like and what to expect. I would imagine that there's going to be some kind of really dope story behind these when they do drop. Right now, I believe they're anticipated for early April. I want to say April the 4th, but don't quote me on that because again, as we know, Jordan Brand loves to change around dates on us. Because as of today, we still haven't gotten the DMP 6s yet. But if you want my opinion, I think that these are definitely going to sell out whenever they arrive on the shelves. But enough of me talking about these sneakers. Now it's time for you guys to sound off in the comments and let me know what you guys think about the 2020 Court Purple Air Jordan 1 High OG. Are these ones that you're going to try to get your hands on, or are you going to go ahead and pass on these? Why or why not? Sound off. Let me know. Of course, write it down in the comments. Make sure that you click on that subscribe button so we can welcome you into the Sneaker Fetish family to make sure you don't miss out on any more heat that comes through like these, because I guarantee you I got a lot more heat on the way. As always, I want to thank you guys for joining me here today on Sneaker Fetish, taking a look at these with me, unboxing them with me for a couple of minutes. I go by the name of Kari. This is the Air Jordan 1 High OG Court Purple for 2020. And until next time, I'm out.